Good day, pupils. This is Teacher Perlita. Today, we are going to learn another lesson in our technology and livelihood education subject, specifically on recycling. Basically, in this lesson, you're going to learn how to, first, identify recyclable products, waste materials made of wood, metal, paper, plastic, and others. Second, explain the process and the importance of recycling. Before we begin, let's review the principles of 5S applied in workplace around the world. Identify what among the 5S is being described in the sentence. 1. It is thorough cleaning of the workplace. Very good. The answer is sweep or shine. Number 2, this step is to remind yourself about the task you have done. Correct. The answer is sustain. Number 3, this means putting the materials in their respective place. That's right. The answer is either systematize, stabilize, or straighten. Number 4, this is the method of identifying and putting away things that you do not need. Excellent. The answer is sorting. Number 5, maintain high quality of cleanliness and orderliness in the workplace at all times. Brilliant! The answer is standardize or sanitize. Look at the picture. What is the problem of our community today? Correct! The waste materials are thrown anywhere. So, we need to practice waste management in order to help in solving this problem. What is waste management? Excellent! Waste management is planning, controlling, and assessing the extent by which all types of waste can be regulated in order to minimize them. Proper waste disposal prevents the harmful effect of waste on us and in the environment. Let's identify the 3 R's using the jumbled letters as a guide. First R. Very good. Reduce is simply lessening the quantity of materials to be used to avoid waste. Second R. That's right. Reuse means using product for multiple times for same or different purposes. Third R. Correct. Recycle means to create or convert waste materials into something useful or functional. Participating in the 3 R's program is responsibility of everyone to help in sustaining a clean, pollution-free, and healthful environment. Do we need to recycle waste materials? Yes, recycling materials give benefits to us and our environment. Let's talk about the importance of recycling. First, recycling preserves precious natural resources. Recycling items rather than using raw materials to make new things preserves the planet's natural resources, which in the face of population growth and growing demand won't last forever. Second, it saves energy. Recycling materials uses less energy than extracting, processing, and transporting raw materials to make new products. Third, it causes far less harm to the environment and animals than extracting raw materials. Think about how raw materials are usually extracted and what harm these activities might do to the earth. Mining, quarrying, logging, and fracking all cause harm to the planet by causing air and water pollution. These activities can also destroy precious animal habitats. Fourth, recycling more reduces the amount of waste we send to landfill. When waste sits rotting away on landfill, it leaches toxins into the groundwater and soil and gives off greenhouse gases like methane as it decomposes, which contributes to global warming. Not only that, if recyclable items are sent to landfill, the precious raw material and energy that went into making them are lost. And lastly, recycling creates jobs. The more we recycle, the more jobs are created in recycling plants. There will also be more jobs created in recycling innovation and technology, new packaging and product design, and more as the industry develops. Recycling process includes 3 steps that create a continuous loop represented by the familiar recycling symbol. What do you think is the first step? Very good. Collecting and processing. In the first step, the old products are collected and processed where they are sorted, cleaned, and made ready for recycling or manufacturing new products. How about the second step? That's right, manufacturing. The second stage involves the manufacturing of new products from the raw materials obtained by the processing of the old products. The last step is purchasing recycled products. The third and final step in the process ends with the purchasing of recycled goods by the consumers. The process of recycling waste materials may vary according to their kinds. Let's name the waste materials used in this new product. First picture. Correct. These are many products that can be produced from recycled woods like chairs, tables, garden accessories, wooden floors, blocks, and others. Second picture. That's right. Tin cans, metal scraps, and aluminum containers are some examples of metals that can be recycled into flower pots, home accessories and furnitures, and so on. Third picture. Very good. Examples of new products made from recycled papers are paper mache, paper flowers, baskets, bags, and etc. Fourth picture. Correct. There are many ways of reusing plastics like water and plant containers, home and garden accessories, and others. Fifth picture. Very good. Examples of recycled glass vases, home and garden accessories, organizers, and so on. Sixth picture. Other waste materials like shells, styrofoam, used buttons, cork and ribbons, scraps of thread, old clothes, old curtains, old socks, scrap of clothes, and etc. can be recycled also. Look at these pictures. See, recycling is a good thing to do. By improving our recycling habits, we can help keep the environment clean and preserve our natural resources. Let's answer some activities about recycling. A. Write true if the statement tells the importance of recycling and false if not. Number 1. Recycling helps preserve the environment. Correct. The answer is true. Number 2. Recycling opens job and income opportunities. That's right. It's true. Number 3. Recycling increases the amount of waste in the dump sites. Very good. False is the answer. Number 4, recycling reduces pollution during the processing of raw materials. Excellent. It's true. 5, recycling old tires and other plastics into planters will also help increase the amount of gases emitted in the factories. Correct. It's false. Next activity is to identify the recycled material if it is made of wood, metal, plastic, paper, or glass. You can pause this video to answer this activity. The answer for this activity are the following. Number 1, paper. 2, metal. 3, glass. 4, wood. 5, plastic. Let's move on to the third activity. Answer the following in your paper. 1. Why is recycling important to practice? 2. How can you process waste plastic bottles into new materials? Pupils, it is important to be mindful of the 3 R's in our everyday life. Let us join hand in hand in applying the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Our environment does so much for us. It's time to do the same for our earth and environment. Once again, I am Teacher Perlita. Together, we can make a difference.